Okay, I heated this one to 50 degrees centigrade. It's actually right now at 54 degrees centigrade, which is close enough. We're gonna do it 3 times. I'll give you the data for the other 2. I'm not gonna show you this every time. But if I drop the Alka-Seltzer in and hit start, you can just tell how much faster it looks like it's going. You really shouldn't look in the top of a reaction like this. I'm trying to estimate from the side. And it looks like it's done about now, which would be the data point I got for that one was 16.83 seconds. So at 50 degrees, it went faster than it did at 35 degrees. And like I said, I'll do that 3 more times. I'm just not gonna do it on video. This other one I had sitting here has been heating the whole time. And that temperature, I don't know if you can see it, is up to, looks like about 72 degrees. This is a little more precise than we actually need. So we'll just round it to 72 degrees. So we'll have to reheat. We'll have to heat this one up 2 more times to 72 degrees. I will dump in the Alka-Seltzer here. Oops, take this out first. Unplug my heat. And I mean, if you think about this in your head now, what's happened, you might have some sort of hypothesis about this one. So I'll drop it in and hit start. And again, it's cracking along pretty good. Didn't really sink this time, which was interesting to me. And it finished up at 14.01. So about 2 or 3 seconds quicker than we had in our one test at 55. Over here, I've had one sitting with an ice cube in it, cooling it down. I'm gonna stir the ice cube around a minute to get it to cool off. Our control group was about 21, and I don't know if you can see, but I have this down to about 11 degrees. I'm gonna do something else. I know this is water, so it's fine to reach in and take the ice cube out because it will interfere with the, maybe I'll get the ice cube out. It'll interfere with our experiment, of course, when we put an Alka-Seltzer in there. So you can see the temperature of the water is 10.6. So we would do 3 of these at 10.6. We'll just do 1 for now. And again, this is a little more precise. We could call that 11 degrees, just fine. And now we will test the 11 degree water. Interesting that the Alka-Seltzer sinks in 11 degree water. I find that interesting. I've never really noticed that before in all the years I've done this. Something else we can think about, but obviously going slower. Get rid of some of this other leftover Alka-Seltzer I have here. That hot one still cooks pretty good. But at 11 degrees, it's going, but it's obviously going at a slower rate. It's interesting to watch it try to rise up a little bit. I don't know why. It's sort of fascinating to me. It's trying to get up there. We're at a minute. Did you watch the clock? Oh, popped up to the surface finally. And it looks like it's about done there. So at 1 minute, 12 seconds, which we would write in our notes because we kept these in seconds, we would have to keep this in seconds. So we'll keep that in mind. All right, give you the rest of the data after we finish the lab.